Hello everybody. This is our bro. What did Megan pull up with? That looks like food.
Food. I want food.
I want food too. That's looking good. I hope it's food.
You think she'll give us food? I don't think she's gonna give us food.
But I want some. Anyway, this is our last board exam, and I'm excited for it to be over.
I just wanna go home. I just wanna go home.
I want to go home, wash my hair, get ready for Nepal.
I'm good. I have to pack
Same.
for Mussoorie and Mumbai.
You're leaving tomorrow?
No, we're leaving day after tomorrow.
Oh.
In the night.
Oh, so you got time.
Yeah. You're leaving tomorrow. 7 a.m. is your flight.
I know.
You have to go in Sharjah. So you have to wake up at 4 a.m.
I was so mad at them.
You have to reach the airport at 4 a.m. right? Because you have to be 3 hours. So you're like up all night.
So I have to go to sleep at like 4:30. Anyway, it doesn't even matter. What matters is this is our last board exam. The suffering is over. I don't have to see our bald supervising examiner anymore. I hated him from the beginning. Bro, you know Ayoti Mom's the supervisor of JSS? Yeah.
Yeah, I guess she only teaches.
History, man. Guys, talk to the vlog.
She just went. But they're not there. Right, okay, chill. Just for you.
There are many videos on our channel where not everyone is there.
True.
No, there's only 2 things to be done.
They both are having sleepovers. She's going on a trip. I'm going on a trip to Nepal.
The doctor cut my hand yesterday.
Huh?
The doctor snipped off my hand yesterday. Isn't that fun?
That's scary.
I still don't get high.
like that.
Huh? Don't get high. So I've learned from history, right? It's hurt. Even if it like didn't work, it hurt.
Show me how you
It's
write.
such a small pencil. Are you done? I don't. Can I use this?
Look how she's writing.
Her handwriting looks good.
Yeah.
It's all good.
Yeah, it actually looks much better than your normal handwriting.
That's crazy. This is how she's writing with like one finger
happens
not doing its job.
Better than your writing. Photosynthesis. I don't know what the balance is. That the photochemical phase? No, it's the other one. The non-light independent
Look
phase.
at my diagrams, they're so pretty.
I don't know what happens in that phase. I only know. Wait, where?
My favorite diagram is my chloroplast. And this, oh my god, and my kidney is so giving. Look at my freaking kidney, bro. Look at my kidney.
That's such a good kidney, bro.
I know, right?
Those are all such good diagrams. I need to do diagrams like that.
I dedicated so much time to this.
Did you do?
This is empty because I physically could not.
Why you want to draw ears?
Because they asked for the membrane. I don't know.
No, but not ears. It's actually really good.
It's literally what ma'am gave us.
I know. I probably have it in the bag.
That's sperm, bro.
I should actually do that right now.
You can, yeah.
I need to do this too. I need to do everything actually. I kind of need to do the entire post.
I've kind
We're
of
gonna
given
talk
up.
about that.
Look at my eyes. This took me a very long time to freaking perfect. So I'm just gonna, yeah, anyway. Oh, I need to know what's rods and
How much sleep have you? Rods and cones, that's easy.
Guys gonna sign. I think everyone has grades.
after exam. Yeah.
She got 2. She got 2, so like it takes a lot of time to get this done. I think Ishita's getting it.
I don't have any markers.
I don't.
It's fine. We can just go to some random class.
I'm just, yeah.
Get it. They'll give it back later because they're good people.
Okay.
We will
We're good people.
assign someone.
To keep it back.
Yeah.
Ipsidizes. Oh my god, which movie should I watch in the plane? No comment. Okay.
I want to watch Main Tera Hero today while I'm eating dinner.
That's
I
good.
wanted to watch a movie which I knew I would like, and of course, Main Tera Hero is so iconic. You know that one, right?
Of course I know that.
Oh, this is important. Start also.
Well, that is literally the definition of a discharge plan. And that's important.
This is important. Okay, that's just written by hand. Dip leaf in boiling water. Why do we dip leaf in boiling
You've
water?
been doing this since
To kill the
6th grade.
cells. That's exactly why I would not know it. Because I'd be like, oh, I've been doing it since 6th grade. Definitely know that. Nope, don't know it.
I think I know it. I'm just relying on.
Then what's the point of boiling a leaf in methylated spirit?
Kill the chlorophyll.
Which color
Was that
does
right?
it turn? Yeah, that's correct.
Oh, that was a guess. Okay.
Why do you boil it?
To kill the enzymes.
Kill the cells.
Yeah, my bad.
Which one comes first? Do you boil it in water first or do you boil it in methylated spirit first?
Water?
Yes.
Oh.
What color does it turn if there is starch? What test first?
What do you mean what test first?
What test do you do to check if there's starch?
For iodine.
Yeah. So what color does it become?
If there is starch, it's purple. Black. Purple, blackish purple.
blue black.
Oh. Well, it looks purple.
Blue black.
Okay, blue, black. And if there isn't, it's just look brown or yellow.
Yeah, just brown.
Bro, they went to the literal other side of the freaking school.
Who?
Anika and Ishita.
Yeah, they're taking rounds. It's a walking.
I know, it's just so far. Anyway. So, I'm gonna tell you what. I can't do this.
I never. What do you?
That's to test oxygen.
Oh, the bubbles. Oh, yeah.
I know. I actually don't know the structure of the year, and that's not good right before the exam.
Dynamic equilibrium is semicircular canals, and static balance. Not equilibrium, sorry, balance. Static balance is sensory patches like
Where is that
utriculus and sacculus.
Sensory cells, okay.
Sensory cells, yeah. And this one is sensory patches.
Patches.
Dance the night away.
Anyway, so I'm gonna tell you what rods and cones is because I myself don't know.
It's really simple.
I actually don't know. What is that freaking idopsin and rhodopsin thingy?
Yeah, so rods are in rhodopsin.
Rods are colors or like black and white?
See, color ends with R. So rod.
Oh,
Okay, rod, R. Rod, rhodopsin.
okay.
And then for
Rhodopsin
dark,
is like violet or.
rhodopsin is red, no. R. It's
It's
all
called
R.
visual purple, dumbass. That's what I was asking. Visual purple or visual violet?
Oh my bad.
It's okay.
Okay, visual purple. See, that also still has R.
Okay.
Then there's idopsin, which is for the dark. And that's visual violet.
Okay, then what happens in adaptation and accommodation?
See, if you're going in from a light to dark,
Yeah?
then light to dark means the idopsin gets activated, needs to
Okay.
be activated.
Okay.
And then when you go from dark to light, the rhodopsin needs to activate. I don't know what was the correct word. This is like such a bad angle.
I can't hold it up here like
Yeah,
this.
keep it there. No.
Equally bad angle. I want to run in the corridors. Like, I'm not even joking. After the exam, I want to
Oh, this
run.
chapter forgot you existed. Oh, I thought you were looking at me. You were looking at the textbook.
Yeah.
Indole 3 acetic acid IAA important. GA3 important.
How do I not know all this?
I'm gonna stay like that.
I like this angle. This
Yeah, but-
stupid iPad. Give me like that.
Eric Beck. Who's Eric Beck?
Probably one of the spammers. I really don't know.